here's how to download and install ChatGPT Codex on Windows 11 PC. Let's get to it. So they just launched Codex on Windows 11. Previously, it was available for Mac OS users. So we just need to open up Microsoft Store. On it, on the top in the search bar, you can type in Codex. Then you're going to find this page. Just press on this Get button. And there you go. It has downloaded. Let's open it up by pressing on this button. Open. Now it's going to say, welcome to Codex. We can continue with ChatGPT or we can enter an API key. So I'm going to press on this continue with ChatGPT. It's going to open up the Chrome web browser. I'm going to log in with Google. Press on continue here. And it's signed in to Codex. We can now close this page. And there you go. It says, welcome. I've got the GPT Go plan on ChatGPT. Just press on this continue button. And that's it. We have got the Codex app installed on Windows 11. Now I can play around with it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to download and install ChatGPT Codex on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more ChatGPT Codex or ChatGPT related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.